I have the Generation 1 Apple Pencil, and I'm constantly leaving this cap laying around. So I'm looking to build a little part that will keep the cap from falling off the back. You could buy them on Amazon. They look just like this. So the size of my cap is 9 millimeters. Here's a little drawing, so there'd be an inner ring and an outer ring, and then the little thing that holds it together. So the inner diameter is 4.45 millimeters radius, and then 6 millimeters is the outside of the ring. This little piece to hold the retainers together will be 15 millimeters. And we'll make it 5.5 millimeters tall. Now we'll duplicate it because we need 2 of them. And a little piece to hold it all together. We'll make that 1.25 millimeters thick. And we'll just move it over just inside of this cylinder. And then we'll just move this cylinder just to connect it together. There we go. All right, and we'll just union all of this together. We don't need the picture, we don't need the sketch. Just round these side corners. We'll fill it right here, this area. Now, order matters in Shaper 3D. If we would have done this before we rounded the other part, it would give us all kinds of weird geometry. So you have to do the long part first and then do this edge here. And this is our Apple Pencil cap holder. And here it is after it's printed in TPU.